Hi everybody, my name's Peter. Welcome to CGG TV. I'm from the city of Greater Geraldton, and this morning we've got with us Chantal from WACRA. Chantal's going to be doing a bit of a talk around how to survive COVID-19 and how do we cope with things on our own. Hi Chantal, how are you going?
Hi Peter, yeah, well thank you. So I'm from WACRA, the WA Centre for Rural Health, and I'm the mental health academic there, focusing on promoting mental health well-being in our community. So of course at the moment we are all suffering, I suppose, from the COVID-19 situation, and I've got some few tips here of how to manage that, especially if you're staying at home and your routine is quite different. So first of all, checking in with others. So when we're at home, when we're working from home, or just staying at home a lot, we can become quite self-isolated.
Sure.
So it's really important to check in with others. So checking in with family and friends, work colleagues, and just maintaining that communication. We can do that through Skype, we can do that through Messenger, Facebook, however, just picking up the phone and just calling somebody. Yeah,
and I think that's really, really important that we do maintain some sort of connection. I think I can really relate to that with my family being in England at the time and with and everything that's going on over there.
Yeah.
For me to actually have that time with my family on a Sunday evening, which is regular, which is a routine, which is something that I look forward to and really makes, I think, us all feel a lot better.
That's right, yeah. And you mentioned routine. Routine is super important.
Yeah.
Having a schedule, having some things to do during the day, so that you can control what you can control in your home, because
Sure.
we can't control this COVID-19, but you feel reassured and comforted in what you can control in your own home, in your own situation, and having a routine, having a purpose is really important. It gives structure, planning some goal-oriented tasks during the day, and that also helps with reducing that anxiety for children in your home, because they also need routine, they also need structure. If they're not at school, just having nothing to do all day is not a good solution. So helping to structure the time
Yeah.
for the children also.
Sure. So really, I think that perhaps even though these times are uncertain and quite unpleasant, are you saying that we can perhaps create some opportunities from this?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, from the kind of the path of destruction that COVID-19 brings, there are some positives. So within yourself, within your family, or within the community. So it's looking for those and trying to stay away from those negative kind of dark thoughts and trying to balance that out with positive thoughts. So spending more time with family, even though sometimes that can be quite stressful.
Sure.
But most of the time it's nice to reconnect, with family, with friends, over the phone, quality time.
Yeah.
Often we're very time poor, so quality time with family, going for a walk in the garden, doing gardening, chores together. It can be quite a nice activity.
Yeah.
Following on from that, also meal times. Making that an actual activity of the day, preparing meals together. Again, that connection, and it also teaches kids a new skill.
Sure.
Yeah.
So it gives us an opportunity to rewind, perhaps, and kind of reset, and then introduce our family members into something other than perhaps the electronic kind of games and that sort of thing.
Yes, that's right. Yes, that's right. We need that technology at the moment to be able to communicate.
Sure.
And for children also, or teenagers especially, they do still need to connect with their peers. That's really important because they're going through that development where they need that connection. So even though we might try to limit the time on screens, and we can still have boundaries for sure, but encouraging them to keep connected with their peers.
Sure.
It's important during this time.
So I think also before, Chantal, we were talking about maybe getting some time, perhaps an hour a day in the garden or something like that, where you can connect the family together and maybe pull a few weeds out and plant a few seeds.
Yes, that's right. Exercise is very important. Going outside, getting some fresh air, vitamin D, just, for our body, doing some just gentle exercise, or if you prefer going out running, that's fine too. Whatever exercise you want to do, making sure you schedule that into your day so that the body feels, happy.
So rather than getting up in the morning, aimlessly wandering around, wondering what to do with the rest of the day, to maybe have some sort of structure to your day.
That's right. That's right. And actual activities, because it's easy to open up the computer or scroll on your phone, and I'm not saying that that's not important. You can do those things, but trying to limit that, because at the moment we see a lot of negativity, especially in the news, etc. So that can actually impact us quite a lot, and it can make us feel a little bit more negative, a little bit down, worried, increase our anxiety. So it's better to limit screen time. Yeah,
absolutely understand. And with, I guess, the beautiful foreshore that we have got down there, provided that we are keeping our distance and abiding by the social distancing laws that we've got in place at the moment.
Absolutely.
It's a really great opportunity to get out, and the weather at the moment is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it definitely is. Yeah, good idea to be outside and enjoy what Geraldton is very proud to have.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks ever so much, Chantal, for coming in.
Pleasure.
Some really, really nice advice there from Chantal. And everybody, just keep safe, try to engage with each other, look after each other, abide by all the rules. And thanks for watching.
Thank you.